Tassos Nomde? Pardon? Anwar Shah. Nice to meet you. I'm stepping out in Kandahar now, and we are going to visit some of the nomadic people in the area, and I want to take them something, so we're going to buy them some cooking oil, which hopefully will be of use. What's all this? Is this Afghan chocolate? What you guys like? So you just import lots of sweets. Look, cotton candy, not for sale in Pakistan, Afghanistan only. Look at that easily. Not for sale, exported to Afghanistan, and not for sale in Pakistan. Wow, my friends.
This is the
My friends in Pakistan won't have it. Oh, the oil. Oh, we're adding it up.
1300 divides on 3.
Right.
So each bottle will
yeah,
be...
so that's about the same as before. Just discussing amounts and dollars and Afghanis. And... Oh, $60. Yeah, $60. Yeah. Okay. Cool. I'll go and get the. I'll go and get the cash. Right. I'm going to go and get some dollars from the car, and we're going to buy 10 of those cooking oils. Oh, where is the car? Here. This is our car. We're going to buy 10 of those cooking oils. Hang on. Can't get my bag. And then hopefully that will help quite a few families. Right, just get the cash out. So $50, and then I have, just tell me if I've got this right. I haven't used the Afghani money before. 500, that's a crisp one, isn't it? Afghanistan, look, that Afghanistan bank. And then I've got 100, so that's 600, 250s, 720. Yeah, bravo to me, yes, bravo to me.
Done.
Okay, I give it to you. There we go.
Thank you, madam.
That's our haul, is it?
Yeah.
Okay, fantastic. Just checking, just checking.
That's it.
All good?
See, madam.
Happy?
Good.
Awesome. Right then, let's go. Oh, thanks a lot. Got my phone. Great. Let's go. It's a really lovely evening here. The sun is just dipping, and the temperature has cooled, and we are just now heading to the edge of Kandahar. Oh, look at this bread shop. Afghan bread is so cool, and we're just heading to the edge of Kandahar along these big rocky mountains like this, and we'll see if we can find these nomadic people. Let's see. I filmed with nomadic people in Herat. It was lovely. It's you know, nomads have been around for centuries, and essentially they have their own culture, I guess, and the way that they live, and it's always interesting, I find, to go and meet them. Oh, it's beautiful here. Look at this.
Its name is the old city of Kandahar and Narenj Monet.
Narenj Monet?
Monet.
Monet. Narenj Monet.
The Palace of Orange.
The Palace of Orange. Narenj is orange. Yeah, naranja is orange in Spanish, I think. Look at this. Wow, it looks huge. Is this them? Right, so it's really good. We found the nomadic people, and salam. And they're quite shy. It's really cute. The kids are shy. Salam. Hello. Salam. They're all coming up, and we're just walking in. Hey, hi. Salam. There we go. Look. Hello. We're going to have a look around and see how they live. These guys definitely have like animals here. So I'm going to find out how they live. Oh, we're getting another group now. Oh. Okay. I think, right, okay. They've discovered the sweets. Salam. Salam. They've discovered the sweets. I have some sweets in my pocket. Hang on a minute. Right, now, I've given one to the girl. They're a little bit scared of me, but they won't be. Would you like one? They won't be scared for long. Okay? That's it. Yeah. Be careful. Just be be careful of choking with the little ones. I think he's okay. He's okay. Yeah? Always worry about the little ones. 2. Let's see what they think. Okay. I think this could take quite some time. But it's a really good way to make friends. Who's had one? Who's this little one? Okay. He's going, and it's in his cheek. That's so funny. Has everybody got one? Yeah? We've all got where there's a bit of tree. Yeah? We're good. Okay? Okay. We'll carry on now. Easiest way, they're not shy anymore. Now look, we've got the animals in here. See, we've got goats. They've got cows. Oh, tripping. Hello. The cows are here. And we're walking in. Think we might be having a chai. Hello. Salam. It's giving them all a wave. They're not sure. Look, here are the cows. I don't trust cows. Really love animals, but I don't trust cows. I can't handle them. Can't handle them. Right. Okay. In we go. Ah. Here we go. Right. Ah, look, here we go. Hello. Okay. Right. Shoes off. Yeah. 1, 2. Okay. Oh, look at this. This is lovely. Thank you. Yeah? Should I sit here on the edge? Which way are we facing? Sit here. This is, wow, look at this seat for me. This is, wow, this is amazing. Thank you. And making sure that I am very comfortable. That's very lovely. Here, we're all sitting down now. Oh, you might be scared. I think the baby's scared of me. It's okay. It's okay. Yeah, we're all coming in now. Oh, lovely. Will you say to them, thank you for inviting us in?
وای چې ډیره مننه چې موږ ته دعوت ورکړي. وای چې ډیره مننه چې موږ ته اجازه راکړي چې
اجازه ده چار څه وایي اجازه ده اجازه ده پوهه اجازه بس
He says you are welcome.
Oh, thank you. It's very kind. That's very kind. Look at this little fella. Oh.
بس
It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. We've got this face like this. It's all right. We win them over in the end, don't worry. Yeah, we win them over in the end. Tasso Sanomde?
معلوم سخداد
Zehdad.
Sakhidot.
Zakhiro.
Sakhidot.
Sati. I'm so bad at saying it. Sahi.
Dot.
Do.
Dod.
Dod.
Yes.
What?
Sakhidot.
With a D on the end.
Yeah.
Sahi Dod. Sahi Dod. Ma Nom Carrie Day. Tasso Sanomde?
سردار ولی
I've got to try.
سردار ولی
Sadar Wali. Yes. Sadar Wali.
Ask from him what's his name.
Yeah. Tassa Sanomde?
Masood.
Masood. Oh, that's easy.
That's it.
Masood. That's easy. He's finding this funny. Tassa Sanomde? What's your name? What?
Ramai.
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 G-H-A-M-I.
How do I say that?
G-H-A-M-I.
Yeah. G-A. I don't know how to pronounce G-H, do I? Ra.
Ramai.
Ramai.
You know what it means?
No?
The stone for the decoration of the food.
Stone.
Shiny stone.
The shiny stone. Oh, like this, like a jewel. Jewel. Like a jewel.
Yeah.
He's like a jewel. Do you know what? His eyes are like jewels, I think. So he's. It's a good name. Have we got more names? Yeah, I'm trying to say all their names. Okay, Tassa Sanomde. Pardon?
Abdurrahman.
Abdulrahman. Ah, 10 points to me. Abdulrahman. Tassa Sanomde.
Sherali.
What?
Sherali.
Shera.
Sherali.
Sherale.
Sherali.
Sherale. Sherale. Tassa Sanomde.
Amidna.
Amidala.
Ah.
Yeah?
Yeah, we're
Amidala.
done.
Yeah? Way, I'm doing really well. This is good. So, would you ask then, how long have they been here?
دا پختنه کوي وایي چې څو کاله کېږي چې تاسو دلته یاستئ.
موږ څه کال درې څلورم کال دی.
It is the 4th year that they will stay here.
The 4th year. And how do they feel? How do they feel here?
وایي چې څه حال دی څه احوال دی تاسو خوشحاله یاستئ دلته؟
خوشحاله یو خیر خیرات کراره کراره خوشحاله یو څو خوشحاله.
He is happy here.
He's happy here.
Of course, it depends. It's not depend to how much money you have.
No.
Even if you live in the desert, if you try to be happy, you can be
Yes.
happy. Otherwise,
Yes.
even in a really nice building, you cannot be happy
Yeah.
with lots of money.
People, I can feel their happiness. There's lots of smiles. They look happy. And they obviously really enjoy their way of life.
They have sheep. If Kandahar is green, they bring the animals here.
Yes.
After it gets hot and the weather is really really hot and here is no more grass, they move from here. They go to Bamyan or some other places for feeding the animals.
We're just chatting, and I'm understanding how they live. They call themselves the Under people, and they are nomadic. However, they've been here for 4 years, and they have cattle instead of sheep, I think. So I'm learning that they basically breed the cows here, and then they sell them to the local community, which is what brings the money in. So can I just ask, by the way, this tent, is this for one family? Do they, how does it work?
Wow.
Yes.
Yes. And do they cook here? Where do they cook?
What's that?
What's that? I see. Let's try. Yeah, it's good.
After sharing stories about their lives, they asked me about my life, and I started with some photos of my family.
Mohammed Jan?
He has a question for you.
Sure.
Why are you bringing the kids and your husband?
You say because I am a travel vlogger, and so they can't come on every trip because it's too expensive. That's genuinely true. It's too expensive, and also right now the boys are studying at school, so they can't leave school.
What do you think about the safety?
2 years ago, somebody suggested I come, and I thought no. But then recently, I keep hearing that it's safe, and I was nervous, but now I've come.
This is Afghanistan is as safe as your house.
Yes, this is, and you can say to them, I'm really looking forward to taking stories home and sharing the positive.
They all say they are also very happy to see the tourists here, and they feel safe. Even
Yes.
local tourists, they can go anywhere they want.
That's amazing.
Did you ask for permission to come to Afghanistan from your husband?
No, I never asked for permission from my husband. He can say, when I told my husband I was coming to Afghanistan, this is what he went like this. Oh, that was his reaction.
وای چې ما کله چې هغه ته ویل چې زه افغانستان ته ځم هغه ډېر جګرخون شله او ویل چې he says if you go back to London
Yeah.
what will he say
He will realize that this place is safer than he thought.
وای چې دې پر ځای چې هغه خفه شي اوس خوشحاله کېږي وای چې
The thing I find when I travel is that when you look beyond cultural differences, you will always find huge similarities. Too many people get caught up in politics and governments, wanting to shun whole countries based on these factors. What they forget is that the real story behind a country is never the government, it's the people.
Right, should we go this way?
As adults, it's easy to focus too hard on these differences. My view is that if you ever need reminding how similar people are across the world, just spend time with kids.
We got, we're gonna go for this one.
Oh, Allah. Kala.
I'm coming.
Kala.
Coming. Oh, it's the funniest thing ever. It's so funny. Coming back now. It's so funny. Right, let's get the cooking oil out for these guys. Time to go. It was fun. Thank you, lovely to meet you. Bye bye. Huda Hafiz. Huda Hafiz. Huda Hafiz. Oh, bye. Cheeky cheeky. Bye, cheeky cheeky. Bye. That was great. They were lovely. The loveliest people. So nice.